Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. So what Ethereum is doing, what are the altcoins are going to do, the crypto market, Bitcoin, we are going to eventually see all these in one video. Before we continue, of course, I would like to thank you for watching. Let's go right now to see the Ethereum against USDT chart. As we are having the daily frame and the 4-hour frame, I want to mention two things. First of all, we could be having right here what we call a cup and handle pattern. What it means it is that we are getting this pretty much of a sideways price action, then we pump again. Right now you can see that for me personally, Ethereum has a second successful retest of the 200-day moving average, the white line right here. The first one was back then on Saturday 11 March, and you can see how Ethereum exploded. This time we have another one, and what I'm expecting of Ethereum, it is that we go higher. Now, an interesting part is that the Feds sometimes are playing with closing above and closing below conditions. For example, right here, I would have personally a stop loss if we close below this line right here, the 1865 around there, and then of course, you can see that we closed a little bit below, but Ethereum just pumped the other day. So for the time being, I think that the Feds know the exact targets, they are playing with it, but for the time being, Ethereum is riding the 50-day exponential moving average as well. We have a bullish cross in the 50-day MA and the 20-day exponential moving average above the 200-day moving average, which is the white line right here into the 4-hour frame, and I think that we can be going higher from there. Okay, so for now, personally, I think that Ethereum is going to retest successfully the 1926 and then go to the 2019. Okay, I'm very confident that Ethereum will get there. It just needs a little bit of time. Personally, I would have my I would think that maybe even on this week we get an impulsive wave and we go to the 2000 USDT. Right now you can see that we are standing in the reds, but we have minus 1% in this week. Nothing special going on, right? Just I think that we have the institutional gap formation right here on the weekly scale, and we are ready to go even higher. For me personally, this is the case. Now, let's jump a little bit to the Bitcoin's chart, and you can see that Bitcoin has something similar, right? We are riding the 4-hour frame to a 20-day exponential moving average, this yellow line right here, and on the daily frame, on the other hand, we are pumping a little bit now. Okay, so you can see that we have a high risk, but for me personally, until we achieve the 32,000, 33,000, I do not think that Bitcoin holds any risk at all. For me personally, we are going to go there, and until then, yes, we do not care about the risk, but when we approach the targets right there, things are going to become complicated. Until the weekly RSI comes above the 70s, I do not think that Bitcoin will stop pumping up. Whenever we get the first above 70s, then we will have the first major correction to the downside, and then the bull cycle starting again. This is what I think it will happen. Alright, until though we see the 32 to 33,000, you do not have to worry about anything. Right now you will ask me, Bill, what about Chainlink that you talked about, right? Because Chainlink eventually is doing pretty solid. Okay, we have the weekly scale right here, minus 20%, but on the other hand, plus 90% in the next week. So what is going to happen? Personally, for me, I do not think, I will repeat that multiple times, I do not think that Chainlink will act very good into the next few weeks, but let's hope that I am wrong. You can see the crash that we had back then, a minus 13%, and then a nice pump coming in. Chainlink right now, a pump is dead as of it now. Now, an interesting part will be the GRT. I think that the graph will be pumping. Okay, I think that GRT will be ready to fly even higher above the 0.1145, above the 0.1360. And then proceed into its next impulsive wave above the 0.21 as well. So the interesting part about CRT is that it is ready to fly. The thing right now that I hope for GRT is the fact that we go above the point 30 to 33. Around there we have a very huge important resistance level, but apart from that it looks like a good huge buying opportunity. Now the rest of the altcoins we will discuss. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Bull cycle is here. Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Patreon.com/MindYourCrypto. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.